Alright, so let's go ahead and put the wig on. But before we put the wig on, a big thank you to IC Hair for sponsoring today's video. This lace frontal wig comes with an adjustable strap and the pre-cut lace. So on this wig, you don't have to worry about cutting any type of lace. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots on this wig has been bleached. I did go in earlier in the video and bleach the knots to this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, so the wig cap on this wig has been designed very uniquely. So this wig actually has a M shape to it, and it is a 3D cap design. This wig has been made so that the lace lays flat against your skin. There's no gap. Overall, giving you a very natural finish without having to use any glue, without having to cut the lace, and of course without having to pluck the hairline. So what I'm doing right here is just simply tightening up the wig by pulling this adjustable band that comes on the wig. This wig also comes with 3 combs, which we all know the combs make the wig a lot more stable and a lot more secure, especially if you're not going to be using any type of glue to secure the wig down. So as y'all can see, the parting space on this wig is pretty good. You get 4 inches or maybe more parting space with this wig. The parting space is really deep. So for this look, I'm going to be doing a curved part for my install, and then I want to show you girls real quick what the parting is giving. This is what the middle looks like, bust down for sure. This is the side part of the wig. So regardless of where you part this wig, you're going to get, look at that, a clean part, and the lace is going to lay flat on your skin. Like, I don't know if you girls can see right here, but you literally cannot see the lace on this wig. And I don't even have the wig secured down yet. So y'all know what I do when it comes to securing my wig using this hairspray, and I'll be back. So right here in this moment is when I realized the lace literally melted into my skin. And I wanted to zoom in on this hairline and slow the video down so that you girls could see exactly what I'm seeing, which is no lace. Like, this is crazy. I really do enjoy these wigs that come with this lace already cut, because it just makes the install a lot more quicker and convenient, especially for those who are super busy and just don't have a lot of time to do all of the steps that it takes for installing a wig. So before I actually start styling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and tie it down. I am going to cut some layers, and then I'll be back to add curls. Alright, so now that I got my hair curled, I'm going to go ahead and take this headband off. And I already know what the lace is giving scalp. The lace is melted. The hairline just is perfect with this wig. Now, of course, I did not go in and cut a lot of layers on this wig. So what I'm going to do right here is thin out some of the hairs on the hairline, especially like me trying to do like a swoop right here. I don't know how the girls be doing their side part baby hairs, but it be just so cute, and I can't figure out how to do it. So girl, this little 1-2 right here is what I did to do baby hairs on the side. So yeah, girl. Okay, y'all, and this is pretty much the final look to this wig install. I decided to do a side part with some big curls, and I love it. So if you want to purchase this wig from IC Hair, definitely make sure you check out the link in the description bar. They are also having a wig sale right now, so definitely get your hands on one of their wigs. Their hairline is top tier. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.